If you live in a city and getting a car isn't an option, then you probably thought about getting a bike. But all that pedaling can be tiring, which is where an e-bike comes in. But not just any e-bike, a foldable one. They not only help save space, but also offer a convenient way to get around. So in this video, I'm going over the top 5 best foldable electric bikes. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. At number 5, we have the Vika Flex on our list. A cutting-edge electric folding bike designed for urban commuters and adventurers alike. With its sleek design and advanced features, it offers unparalleled convenience and performance. The Vika Flex folds effortlessly, making it perfect for storage at home, work, or even on public transport. Equipped with both pedal assist and throttle, this bike provides seamless electric assistance, allowing riders to effortlessly conquer hills and long distances. Powered by a 250-watt, nominally rated planetary geared hub motor, the Vika Plus ensures efficient and reliable performance on every ride. Whether navigating city streets or exploring scenic trails, this bike offers versatility and adaptability to various riding conditions and terrains. The Vika Plus folds down to 36 by 21 by 28.5 inches, allowing you to bring it wherever you go and easily store it wherever you are. The 20-inch wheels with cushy 2.4-inch tires allow you to ride comfortably and safely on different types of roads. With the custom-designed Blix modular racking system, you have the option to customize your Vika Plus for your needs. Smart mounting points in the front and rear let you add Blix racks, baskets, and bags to bring everything you need. This bike features ergonomic components and adjustable settings to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. With its foldable design and compact footprint, the Vika Plus easily fits into tight spaces, making it ideal for urban dwellers with limited storage options. Crafted from durable materials and built to last, this bike is a reliable companion for daily commutes and weekend adventures. The Vika Plus combines form and function, making it a stylish accessory for riders who value both aesthetics and performance. Overall, the Vika Flex offers the best value as it's the ultimate electric folding bike, offering convenience, performance, and style for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4 is the Volodor folding electric bike, an innovative solution for urban commuting and versatile transportation needs. Weighing only 38 pounds, the e-bike is lightweight and easily foldable, making it perfect for effortless transportation and storage in small spaces. Equipped with a 350-watt motor, this electric bike offers swift acceleration and smooth riding experiences, whether navigating city streets or countryside trails. With its 7-speed transmission, riders can effortlessly adapt to various terrains and riding preferences, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable journey every time. The Volodor's high-capacity battery provides ample power for extended rides, with a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge, ensuring you can explore more without worrying about running out of power. Featuring an easy-to-use folding mechanism, it offers unparalleled convenience for busy city life. Its ergonomic design and comfortable seating ensure a pleasant riding experience even on longer journeys. Plus, the built-in safety features such as reliable brakes and durable construction prioritize rider safety, providing peace of mind on every ride. Its sleek and modern design makes it a stylish accessory, while also serving practical purposes, appealing to riders who value both aesthetics and functionality. However, despite being a folding bike, it weighs about 40 pounds with fenders and a rack. This could be a bit heavy to carry around, especially upstairs or for longer distances. But this fact may not affect every rider's experience and may not be a point of contention for everyone. Overall, the Volodor folding electric bike is certified for SGS for quality you can trust, and with a 2-year battery warranty, you can rest assured of its performance and safety without any hiccup. Number 3 is the Lectric XP 3.0 foldable electric bike, your ultimate companion for urban adventures and daily commutes. The XP 3.0 features a foldable frame, allowing for easy storage in small spaces like apartments, offices, or car trunks, making it perfect for urban living and travel. With a powerful electric motor, it provides a seamless pedal assist, helping you easily conquer hills and long distances. With its ergonomic design and adjustable components, including handlebars and seat. It ensures a comfortable and customizable riding experience for riders of all sizes and preferences. It also has an adjustable and removable seat post and a telescoping handlebar stem, allowing riders to reach a wide range of heights while maintaining comfort and stability. The XP is built to last. It features a sturdy frame and reliable components, ensuring durability and longevity even with daily use, whether navigating city streets, bike paths, or gravel trails. The fat tires provide stability and traction, allowing you to explore various terrains with confidence. It's equipped with reliable brakes and lights and prioritizes rider safety, providing peace of mind during nighttime rides or in busy urban environments. This foldable electric bike offers an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation methods, allowing you to save money on gas and reduce your carbon footprint. Overall, the Lectric XP 3.0 offers the convenience and freedom of electric biking with the most upgradable design on our list. If you want to know the latest prices of the foldable electric bikes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2 is the Aventon Abound Foldable Electric Bike, a versatile electric cargo bike designed to make your daily transportation and hauling tasks a breeze. The Abound e-bike comes equipped with a sturdy cargo rack, allowing you to haul groceries, packages, or even children with ease. Its spacious design and weight capacity make it perfect for running errands or commuting to work. Featuring a step-through frame design, the Abound offers easy accessibility, making it convenient for riders of all ages and abilities to mount and dismount the bike effortlessly. It's powered by an electric motor. The Abound provides pedal assist functionality, giving you an extra boost while riding uphill or carrying heavy loads, which makes commuting and traveling longer distances more manageable and enjoyable. This bike is equipped with a torque sensor and a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor, so getting around with everything you need in tow is now a lot easier. Abound can do most of the heavy lifting by switching between the 4 new pedal assist levels: Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo. The all-new turn signal functionality alerts others that you're making moves, while the front headlight sheds light on the road ahead. With a competitive price point compared to other electric cargo bikes on the market, the Abound offers exceptional value for money without compromising on quality or performance. Whether you're navigating city streets, bike paths, or gravel trails, the Abound's sturdy construction and reliable components ensure a smooth and comfortable ride in various terrain and weather conditions. Overall, the Abound, featuring ergonomic handlebars, a cushioned saddle, and adjustable components, allows you to customize your riding experience to suit your preferences, and that's why it's your reliable and efficient solution for everyday transportation needs. Number 1 is the Radix Spand 5 electric folding bike, a versatile and convenient solution for urban commuting and adventurous rides. The Radix Spand 5 features a foldable frame, allowing for easy storage and transport. Its compact size makes it perfect for city dwellers, commuters, and RV enthusiasts looking for a space-saving transportation option. It's equipped with fat tires and provides enhanced stability and traction, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains, including city streets, gravel paths, and uneven surfaces. It also features a step-through frame, so you can customize your ride with adjustable handlebars, 7 speeds, and 4 levels of pedal assist. With its step-through frame design, the RadExpand 5 offers easy accessibility, allowing riders to mount and dismount the bike effortlessly. This feature is particularly beneficial for riders with mobility concerns or those wearing skirts or dresses. The RadExpand 5 comes with pedal assist functionality, providing riders with an extra power boost as they pedal. This feature makes it easier to conquer hills and cover longer distances without exerting excessive effort. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring new trails, the RadExpand 5 is suitable for a wide range of riding scenarios, thanks to its durable construction and reliable performance. However, shorter riders may have to raise or turn the seat to remove the battery. At 62.5 pounds, the RadExpand 5 is considered a heavy bike, which could make it less portable. Overall, the RadExpand 5 electric folding bike is your reliable and efficient companion for all your cycling adventures, as it's the best overall foldable electric bike on our list. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect foldable electric bike much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.